vegetable. And I'm gonna cook, but there's a twist. Everything is small. So the first thing that I'm gonna cook is gonna be egg and meat. And here's my friend Alina. She's gonna cook some noodles. And right now she's making the toppings. Let's put some seasoning onto my egg. Okay, since the pan is hot now, let's put some oil. Okay, I think it needs a bit more oil. Let's put the egg. It's cooked now. Okay guys, the egg is done. See you next time. Bye, love y'all.